And here is our mixed pasta with butter, basil, pistachio, and anchovies. This is a must try. You'll have to do this in your own home and try it. Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. I'm Richard Gomez, and today we're preparing butter sauce with basil. And sa bahay kanina, pag-check ko, nakita ko ang dami kong mga leftovers na mga pasta. So there's Orecchiette, there's Farfalle, there's Penne. So this is what we'll do. We'll blend in some butter, and then we'll put in some anchovies, and then mag-harvest tayo ng basil. Okay? Maganda yung mga maganda yung mga basil. So what we will do here sa basil natin, i-blender natin siya, and then incorporate natin sa with butter. Lagyan natin ng konting lemon. Lalagyan natin ng pistachio. So ito, bakit nagkaganto itong dahon na ito? So siguro na ito kasi for a while medyo, di ba, nag-summer ng gusto. Yan. Okay. So for now, and then what I'll do, kasi meron tayong mga leftovers ng mga pasta. Dinala ko na rin para magamit natin. So nakita ko sa kitchen kanina, may mga leftovers. Yun ang gagawin natin with this basil and butter sauce natin, no? Yan. Sarap pag maraming basil. Ang daming harvestin dito. So naka-harvest tayo ng basil natin. Mamaya tatansyahin natin, pag kulang pa, dagdagan natin ng basil. So the more basil you put in, mas masarap. Okay? So I'll open this. We'll put in our butter. Goody. Sarap nito, butter. I love butter so much. I love butter. I love coconut cream. Sarap. Tapos yung water natin dito, kumukulo na. So babagsakin natin mamaya yung pasta. So we'll put in our second block of butter. Wow, sarap. Yun. Kasi marami-rami rin itong pasta na ito pag pinagsama-sama mo. Then we'll put in some anchovies. Be careful when you open it kasi baka tumalsik yung anchovies. Normally ganun, tumatalsik yung anchovies eh. Sama na pati yung oil ng anchovies. Masarap yan. It's full of flavor. Yun, sarap. Since it's pasta, we want our sauce to be a little salty. So gawin natin dalawa. Okay. Goody. So, the one. Good. The sauce is so easy to make. And then we'll put in our pistachio. There. Dagdagan pa natin. Okay. And then we'll put in our basil. Sarap nito. Nice. Pupunin natin ang basil. Before we start, yan. Then lalagyan natin mamaya ng pepper and cheese. Yun. Okay, then we start. Yan lang, ha? Okay, andun incorporate na yung basil natin. But I think I want to put more basil. And then we'll put in some cheese, and then lagyan natin ng lemon. We'll put some, kung wala kayong fresh parmesan, pwede na ito nasa bottle ng parmesan. Yan, there. Put that there, like that. Good. Okay, lemon natin is here. And then gagamitin natin yung lemon zest natin mamaya. Okay, we'll put in our lemon juice. There you go. Good. Lemon juice. Sarap nito. Ha? Sa kalamia, eh. May space pa, oh. Yan, oh. Punin natin basil. Sarap nito. Yun. And then we'll taste it afterwards. Lagyan ko dito ng, ano, ng pepper. Okay. Okay. Tapos lagyan natin ng pepper muna. Samahan natin ng garlic. Gawa tayong garlic to. Just to put in more freshness, more flavor dun sa sauce natin, sa butter sauce, no? Yan lang, buo lang, oh. Then drop it there. Pipino na yan, madudurog na yan. So, we'll put in siguro mga 3-4 lang na ganito. Alright, tanggalin ito. Don't need this. Okay, tuloy lang natin to, ano, ang ating pag-grind, no? Pag-mix ng basil and butter. Alright, once it's incorporated, we will try our butter and basil sauce. Kung okay na ba to. Sarap. And since meron pang space, bagsakan nyo para maraming basil. Put as much basil as you can. Yan. Dami natin basil, eh. Dipuluin na natin. Okay, good. Let's try it one more time. Oh. Sarap. Dilipat natin dito. Ayan. Parang magiging favorite niya na naman to, Chris. Magugustuhan mo to. It's so easy to make, eh. So yun ba? Okay, just like that. Okay. So our basil butter sauce is finished. Lutuin na natin yung pasta natin. First, it's boiling. Ayan, salt. Okay. Unahin natin yung pinakamataba sa lahat. So, unahin natin yung penne pasta. Ayan. Let it cook. Let it cook ahead by mga, let's say, by mga 4 minutes. No? And then, sunod natin din yung farfalle. Ayan, para hindi magdikit. Okay? So, after 3 minutes of cooking the penne pasta, babagsak natin yung farfalle. Okay? So, niluto natin ahead yung penne and then the farfalle. And then, after 2 minutes, isusunod na natin itong orecchiette. There. Then, let it boil. Let it boil. Cover it para mas mainit. We'll count the time. Inunan natin yung penne pasta kasi mas matagal siya magluto. After 3 minutes, nilagyan natin yung farfalle. No? And then, after another 3 minutes and 6 minutes already, ilalagay natin itong orecchiette. Yun. And then, another 3-4 minutes, maluluto na ito lahat. So, total of, the penne will cook in about 9 or 10 minutes. No? And then, yung farfalle is about 7 to 8 minutes. And then the rest, orecchiette, bilisan to. 45 minutes lang in boiling water will cook. So, sabay-sabay siya maluluto. Then, we will prepare. Our pasta is, should be done by now. So, tignan natin yung tenderness niya. No? This is the penne. Good. Good. The farfalle. Good. The orecchiette. Perfect timing. Good. Time to turn this off. And then, good natin yung pasta natin. Good. Good. Tama, oh. Ganda nga, oh. Ano? Halo-halo yung pasta niya. So in cooking pasta, it doesn't have to be all the same. Kung meron kayong natitira na pasta, ano, like this one, oh, mga leftover to. Sama nyo lang dyan. And something out of it. Lapit na. So now, we have this mixed pasta in our bowl. Ilagay na natin ito, no? Yung ginawa natin na basil, butter, anchovies, pistachio. Yun, then we'll mix it. Nice. Oh. Ganda. Puno. Good. Uy, puno. Nice. And then we will try this. Zest of lemon. Okay, so this has been washed kanina. Wow, sarap ito. Okay, good. And here is our mixed pasta with butter, basil, pistachio, and anchovies. Okay, let's try this. Wow. Oh. This pasta is bursting with freshness. The basil, sarap ng basil. And then the creaminess of butter and pistachio. Tapos yung lemon zest. Tama lang yung karami na lemon zest. Mahabol lang yung acidity niya. This is a must try. You'll have to do this in your own home and try it. It's really good, no? It only took us what? Less than 20 minutes to prepare. No? So thank you. Very good. All right. So thank you so much for joining me here in Goma at home. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kung meron tayong bagong video na palabas. And then, do this in your own kitchen, share with your friends, and enjoy it with your family. I'll see you again next time right here in Goma at home. Bye, guys. Saan?
Kaon ako.
Saan? Oh.